Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. This video is going to be about how to trade long-legged doji candlesticks. They can be either a bullish or a bearish pattern. It can be found in uptrends, downtrends, consolidation periods. They look like regular doji candlesticks, except for they have longer shadows or the longer leg areas. So again, they can be indecision, reversals. They look like kind of like high wave candles at times as well, but they have a very little or thin real body. So their real bodies are typically thinner, and the shadows or the legs are longer. But again, they kind of tell the same kind of story as dojis or high wave candles, depending on where you're finding them. So I'll show you how to trade them in both a bullish situation and a bearish situation. So with a long-legged doji candlestick, you also got to be a little bit careful because they're typically bigger candlesticks. So if you're doing it for risk management, you got to be careful if you're risking the whole candle for stop areas. Be aware that they're typically longer or bigger candlesticks. So when you are going long on a long-legged doji, you would enter as price breaks the top of that wick area, so the top of the candle area, and then you would use a candlestick close below that long-legged doji or below the shadow as your stop. So if price closes below that, that'd be your stop level. Again, be careful because those, the long-legged doji candlesticks, they're bigger and there's typically more risk to them. So that's how you would trade a longer or going long or bullish on it. You can see here on the chart, right, kind of want to zoom out a little bit. This is where, again, sometimes I like to show different, setups. They're not out. Some will have longer legs. Some will look shorter. Not all candlesticks are perfect, right? So I like to show different ones and different examples, but this is a longer leg doji candlestick. You'll see this is more of kind of like a regular one, but you'll see they kind of tell the same story, right? So with this one right here, you would take a short position. So you'll see many times as price is going up or it's hitting near resistance, you'll see a reversal. This is where you would take a short as price falls below the base of that shadow area with a candlestick close above it as a stop level. All right, so again, you'll see dojis and stuff all over charts. Like you could just see this, I could just scroll through here and you'll see like, there's dojis, there's spinning tops, but the longer legs, again, it shows typically, again, longer legs. So this is right here. So this is kind of long-legged doji. You could say, hey, is that a spinning top? Is that a high wave candle? Right? So you'll see all these kind of different ones right over in here. They're just kind of typically showing, indecision, consolidation, or reversals to the up or the downside.